Hello friends, so again I'm here with taking my new session. So first previously we did in the last session we just completed our line integral, right, and the work done. So now let's start with the next method, and that is a flux, and almost it seemed like work done and the line integral. So starting with, and I think we already did its theory, okay, but then too I'm again repeating its theory, and you can see that here it's heading of flux. So if the vector field f bar equals to m of xy into the I plus n of xy into the j, it means आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा एफ बार दैट विल बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ एम आई प्लस एन जे के फॉर्म में, ओके। सो वहां से आपको फाइंड करना है फर्स्ट एम एंड एन। नाउ देन यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट द, see here I have given integration over the c f bar dot n cap into the ds, and that represent the flux through the curve c where n cap is a unit normal vector to the c, यानी कि the given curve c। कर्व आपको कोई भी दिया होगा लाइक y इक्वल्स टू x स्क्वायर, y स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 4ax एक्सेट्रा, ओके। नाउ जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मैंने उसका थियरी लिखा है, ओके, एंड दिस थियरी इज no needful to do. So if you can just remember this one, that what is n cap ds, that will be I dy plus j dx, and at the last what we can write flux as integration m dy minus n dx. So this one is the main formula for the flux, okay. So now starting with the examples, and very first I have written it's the formula like flux equals to integration over the c f bar dot n cap ds equals to integration from a to b point m dy minus n dx. So यहाँ पे आपको find करना है m dy minus n dx and the limits that a or b point, right? So it's almost like line integral work done. Now see, the first question is given f bar equals to 2I plus 0j. Calculate the flux of f bar through the line segment from 3,0 to 0,3. Okay, so in the starting, in the beginning of the examples, first you have to apply its formula. Like if in the question they are asking to find line integral, then first note it down the formula of line integral. Now if it's given a work done, then first give the, in the beginning of the solution you can write over the formula of work done, okay. So same like I've written here the equation, the formula of the flux, that integration over the c f bar n cap ds equals to e to b m dy minus n dx. So first you will find m and n. So you can compare this equation with the theory, so at the so that you can get m equals to 2 and the n equals to 0, right? Okay. Now in the second step, you can see here m dy minus n dx. So I'm just writing here m dy minus n dx. So equals to m as it is, yani ki 2 as it is dy, minus n yani ki 0. So that will be 0 into the dx. So finally you can get 2y. Now next step, the path of integration will be given into the equation, okay, yani ki any kind of curve, or you can see that here there is no given any kind of curve, but here it's given a point, okay. So path of integration is a line segment AB from, I'm just giving its name, A 3,0 to B 0,3. So along the AB, either you can write here the integration, I mean in the limits of x, or you can write the limits of y, okay. But you can check here m dy minus n dx we are getting in the form of y only, right? So here we will write the limit of y only, अगर एम डी वाई माइनस एन डी एक्स आपको मिल रहा है एक्स के फॉर्म में, तो यहाँ पे आपको लिमिट्स लिखनी है एक्स की फॉर्म में, देन इट विल बी 3 to 0. ओके, 3 to 0 फॉर्म. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमें मिल रहा है एम डी वाई माइनस एन डी एक्स, दैट इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ वाई ओनली. ओके, सो विल राइट द लिमिट ऑफ वाई. सो नाउ जस्ट integrating m dy minus n dx between the limits y equals to 0 to y equals to 3, यानी कि जो भी वैल्यूज मिल रही है, जो आपको आपका मेन इक्वेशन जो है फ्लक्स उसमें पुट करो and applying its equation, that is this one. यहाँ पे उसकी वैल्यू लिखो, लिमिट्स लिखो, use the simplification, you will get final answer. Hope you understood, guys. Now continuing with, find the flux of f bar equals to 3xyi plus x minus y into the j through the parabolic arc y equals to x square between -1 to 1 and 4 to 6. Okay, you can see that here there is given a parabolic curve, yani ki y equals to x square is given and limits is also given, that -1 to 1, 4 to 16. Okay, so very first in the beginning you will write the formula for the flux. So here I will written, you can see that. Now first step we have to find m and n. So I'm just finding the values of m and n, so comparing it with the m I plus nj. So this one will be m and n equals to x minus y. Okay, now in the second step you have to find m dy minus n dx. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है, उसकी वैल्यू जस्ट पुट की है, आप देख सकते हो, that is 3xy, and यहाँ पे मैंने पुट किया है x minus y. Okay, now in the third step we have to apply the path of integration, and here it's given. आपको फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में नहीं दिया था बिकॉज उसकी जरूरत भी नहीं थी, बिकॉज यू कैन सी दैट, बिकॉज जो सेकंड स्टेप में हमें सेकंड टर्म में जो मिल रहा है सेकंड स्टेप में, दैट एम डी वाई माइनस एन डी एक्स, वो आपको सिर्फ एक ही टर्म में मिल रहा था, इन दैट वाज इन टर्म्स ऑफ ओनली वाई, दैट वाज नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई. ओके, सो एक्चुअली देयर वाज नो नीड, बट यहाँ पे हमें जरूरत है बिकॉज हियर वी आर गेटिंग m dy minus n dx in the terms of x and y. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आपको आइदर x में कन्वर्ट करना है या तो फिर y के कन्वर्ट करना है. सो कन्वर्टिंग इनटू द x और इनटू द y फॉर्म, this equation must necessary to apply that a curve or any kind of lines. So already यहाँ पे दिया है, so I'm applying this one. So path of integration is the parabola, and that is given the y equals to x square. Now just do the derivative, so dy will be 2x into the dx. Here I have written. Okay, now substituting these all the values in the equation m dy minus n dx. Okay, and integrating the term. Okay, now again you are having the two possibilities over here. Either you can convert this whole equation, yani ki this m dy minus n dx in terms of x, or you can apply, or you can convert in terms of y. Okay, so अगर आप जिसमें भी अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसकी लिमिट आपको यहाँ पे लिखनी है, that is here. Okay, so right now you can see that I am converting into the x form. Okay, so here definitely we will write the limit of x only. Now if you are converting here into the y form, then definitely you have to write these limits into the y form only. Okay, so just putting these values m dy minus n dx, and that is this one. Okay, now converting into the x form. So in place of y I will put x square. Okay, तो यहाँ पे मैंने values को put किया है, you can see that, and for the x the limit will be -1 to 4, यानी कि x coordinates. Okay, now just do the simplification, you will get the final answer. Third one, find the flux of f bar. f bar यहाँ पे आपको दिया है through the circle. यहाँ पे कोई कर्व नहीं दिया है आपको, यहाँ पे आपको दिया है सर्कल. सर्कल है, इट मींस यहाँ पे पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशंस आएंगे. ओके, सो very first just find m and n. So I have just written here 3x and 5y. Then after m dy minus n dx, that will be this one, and apply the path of integration, and here it is given x square plus y square equals to 1. Okay, now the parametric equation of the circle. See, by using the equation of circle, you can't apply, you can't convert into the x or y form. Okay, So first you have to write its parametric equation only as we were doing in the line integral or the work done. Okay, तो आपको सिर्फ ऐसे ही अप्लाई करना है. It means you have to apply its parametric equations. So x equals to r cos, y equals to r sin with radius 1. So that will be x equals to cos and y equals to sin theta. Then do the differentiation this both. Okay, and also you have to write its limit. And now for the circle यानी कि that full quadrant, and for the quadrant you can write the limit 0 to 2 pi. So that I have written here 0 to 2 pi. Okay, that theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Now substituting these all the values in to the main equation, that is in this one, and integrating between the limits यहाँ पे already हम लोगों ने find किया है, that is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so यहाँ पे values put करो, integration करो, but you can see that cos square और sin square यहाँ पे दिया है, so you have to convert into the normal form. So यहाँ पे मैंने normal form में convert किया है, and apply its limit and you will get final flux. Okay, so there are two types of examples. Either the path will be given into the equation, or else it will be given like any kind of straight line, or else like circle, etc. Okay, so hope you understood guys. And this here I have given the fourth example of the flux, that find the flux of f bar equals to x minus y into y plus xj, that across the circle x square plus y square equals to 1 in the xy plane. Okay, सो सर्कल है, उसका लिमिट्स के लिए हमें दिया है यहाँ पे एक्स वाई प्लेन, एक एफ दिया है और यहाँ पे एक सर्कल दिया है. सर्कल यानी कि इट्स सेम लाइक द थर्ड एग्जांपल एज वी डिड राइट नाउ. ओके, सो आपको वैसे ही सॉल्व करना है जैसे मैंने थर्ड एग्जांपल सॉल्व किया है. हियर यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट्स पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशंस ऑफ द सर्कल, and then you have to write the limits of theta. The limits of theta will be same, that 0 to 2 pi. Okay, and then after giving the simplification you will get final answer as a flux, and here I have given the answer, that is pi. So just do the practice, and in next session we will do with the next method. Thank you.